Ready to turn every drive into a smooth, stress-free experience? These Amazon car gadgets are designed to keep you comfortable, organized, and connected on the road. From smart organizers to clever comfort upgrades, they'll make your ride feel like first class. All the links are waiting for you in the description below. Road trips just got way more organized. This clever backseat organizer gives you 2 cup holders, a tissue box slot, and handy hooks for bags, snacks, or umbrellas. No more clutter rolling around the floor. You've got a spot for everything. The smooth leather finish wipes clean in seconds and stays durable over time. Easy to install on most headrests, it keeps your car neat and passengers happy. Ever wish your car could double as a mini office or cafe? This steering wheel desk makes it happen. One side is perfect for meals with a cup holder, while the other side turns into a smooth workspace for your laptop or notes, complete with a pen slot. It attaches in seconds and feels sturdy while you work or eat. Slim, lightweight, and easy to stash under the seat when not in use. Long drives don't have to mean sore necks. This adjustable car headrest pillow gives you proper support so you can nap or rest comfortably on the road. The arms rotate up and down to fit both kids and adults and fold away neatly when not in use. Made with soft memory foam and a smooth leather cover, it's durable, comfy, and easy to clean. Installs in minutes on most headrests with poles. Lunch on the go doesn't have to be a balancing act. This car tray slides right into your cup holder and instantly gives you a stable table for food, drinks, or even your phone. The swivel arm rotates smoothly, so you can adjust it for yourself or share with a passenger. A built-in phone slot keeps your screen propped up while you eat. Compact, sturdy, and super handy for busy days. Hot seats ruining your drive? This ventilated seat cover cools you down in seconds. Built-in fans push fresh air across your back, hips, and legs, so you stay comfortable even on the longest trips. 3 adjustable cooling levels let you pick the perfect temperature, while gentle vibration modes ease muscle tension on the go. The non-slip design keeps it snugly in place, all while protecting your car's original seat. Blinding sunlight or glaring headlights, both can make driving stressful. These clip-on visors cut through glare so your eyes stay comfortable day or night. The gray panel blocks harsh sun during the day, while the yellow panel softens bright headlights at night. They flip down in seconds and attach easily to your car's existing visor. Compact, durable, and perfect for safer, more relaxed driving on long trips. Ever wish your bag had its own spot in the car? This Suede Organizer slides between the front seats and keeps everything right within reach. Toss in your purse, phone, wallet, or even documents and it stays tidy, not rolling around on the floor. The soft suede looks stylish, wipes clean easily, and won't lose shape. Bonus, it also doubles as a barrier to keep pets or kids from climbing forward. Storage and seating in one? That's smart. This heavy-duty folding box gives you 60 liters of space for clothes, tools, or camping gear. And when closed, it doubles as a sturdy seat that can hold an adult. The tough plastic build with reinforced handles and lid keeps everything secure. When you're done, it folds flat to save space. Perfect for road trips, camping, or just keeping your trunk organized. Flat tire, low pressure, this pocket-sized compressor has you covered. Despite weighing less than a pound, it packs enough power to inflate car, bike, or motorcycle tires up to 150 psi, fast. The digital display gives you precise readings, while auto shutoff stops at the exact pressure you set. A built-in flashlight adds safety at night, and the rechargeable battery doubles as a power bank for your phone. Big mess, small package. The G-Tech Multi-Platinum Handheld Vacuum gives you 30 minutes of cordless cleaning power on a single charge. At just over 3 pounds, it's light but mighty, tackling car interiors, stairs, upholstery, and pet hair with ease. With its power brush head, crevice tool, extension tube, and dusting brush, every corner is covered. Bonus: replaceable scented cartridges keep things fresh while you clean. Camping just got a serious upgrade. Instead of sleeping on the ground, you set up right in the back of your pickup. This waterproof tent creates a cozy, dry space for 2 people, with double layers and a rainfly to keep the weather out. 3 windows give you fresh air and views, while the top hook holds a lantern at night. Quick to install, it turns your truck into a mobile campsite anywhere you go. Tired of fumbling with your phone while driving? This clever mount clips right onto your rearview mirror so navigation stays at eye level. It rotates a full 360 degrees and adjusts to whatever angle works best for you. The 4-claw grip holds your phone steady, even on bumpy roads, without scratching it. Lightweight yet sturdy, it keeps your dashboard clean and your focus exactly where it should be, on the road. Your car just got smarter and more organized. This armrest box doubles as extra storage and a wireless charger, so your phone powers up while staying tucked away. Coins, cards, keys, and other small items all have a neat spot instead of sliding into the gaps. Made from durable, easy-to-clean materials, it also adds a touch of style to your interior. Perfect for long drives, it gives your arm a comfortable place to rest too. Ever wish steering could feel effortless? This little booster grips onto your wheel and gives you smooth 360 degrees rotation with just one hand. It makes tight turns, U-turns, and parking way easier while reducing arm strain. The soft silicone surface feels comfortable and non-slip, while the metal bearings keep it spinning quietly. Easy to clip on and remove. It's a simple upgrade that makes every drive more convenient. Keeping your car clean just got way easier. This compact trash can holds all the wrappers, cups, and random clutter that usually ends up on the floor. It's 100% leak-proof, so spills and messes won't seep through, and the lid keeps odors under control. Side pockets give you extra storage for small items, making it more than just a bin. With its adjustable strap, you can hang it anywhere for quick and tidy access. Hot car seats and burning steering wheels are the worst. This umbrella-style sunshade pops open in seconds to block UV rays and keep your car cool. The reflective fabric shields your dashboard and seats from damage while lowering the interior temperature. A rotating handle and flexible edges let it fit snugly without leaving gaps. When you're done, it folds into a compact bag that slips neatly into your glove box. Driving feels a lot nicer when the air is fresh and comfortable. This compact humidifier adds just the right amount of moisture, helping with dry eyes, scratchy throats, and even static. It runs quietly, so it won't distract you on the road. The rhinestone design gives your car a little sparkle and style, making it both functional and fun. Clutter doesn't stand a chance with these foldable crates. They pop open to hold everything from groceries to tools, then collapse flat when not in use. Stack them up for a tidy garage, or slide them into the trunk for organized shopping trips. Lightweight but tough, they can handle heavy loads without breaking a sweat. A smart, space-saving solution that keeps your home, car, or office neat and orderly. Ever wished you had a boost to reach the roof of your car? This foldable step hooks right onto your door latch, giving you safe and easy access in seconds. It's built from strong aluminum alloy and holds up to 400 pounds while staying lightweight and compact. The non-slip surface keeps your footing secure, and the rubber backing protects your paint. Perfect for loading gear, cleaning the roof, or strapping down your next adventure. Tangled cables in the car? Not anymore. This retractable charger gives you 4 charging options in one sleek design, with cords that pull out when you need them and tuck away when you don't. It powers up phones, tablets, and more with fast charging speed, so no one's waiting around on a road trip. The starry light adds a cool glow at night, making it easy to spot. Long drives just got a whole lot cozier. This inflatable mattress turns the back of your SUV into a soft bed, complete with 2 pillows and a built-in pump for fast setup. It's thick, flocked on both sides, and stays stable even if you shift around in your sleep. You can inflate all sections for 2 people or just part of it for solo trips. Perfect for camping, road trips, or even an impromptu nap under the stars. Hot car rides don't have to be uncomfortable. This rechargeable dual-head fan clips onto the backseat headrest and delivers cool air exactly where you need it. Each fan can spin 360 degrees and has its own controls, so passengers can choose their perfect breeze. With 3 speeds and up to 16 hours of runtime, it keeps kids, pets, or anyone in the backseat comfortable. Your phone deserves a mount that won't budge. This magnetic holder grips with powerful suction and a snap-on magnetic lock that keeps your device steady, even on rough roads. The 360-degree swivel lets you angle it however you like. Portrait for maps, landscape for videos. It sticks to dashboards, mirrors, or even kitchen tiles, making it useful beyond the car. Strong, sleek, and easy to set up, it's built to hold on tight. Big fridge convenience in a tiny package. This 6-liter mini fridge keeps up to 8 cans chilled or switches to warming mode for hot meals and baby bottles. It plugs into both wall outlets and car ports, making it perfect for home, office, or road trips. The shelves are removable so you can store snacks, drinks, or even skincare without mixing odors. Quiet, compact, and versatile, it's the little fridge that goes anywhere.